returns to normal. Our journey will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it triumphing. Watch the moment unfold. Spark a chain that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish from point into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning. You're we try to find
So much pain in my feet are killing me.
evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of resent, what is there? All that bent, I don't care. Out to
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
Story takes my own way. Be as strong as the seas are stormy, and God is an eagle.
That's what friends are
너무 잘
Adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. You can save yourself.
I have often dreamed of a fireplace where the heroes of the would be waiting for me. Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the story.
Oh, I love the Tinkerbell.
All the